I know if I didn't pull a little bit, he gonna pass me because it was so fast in the straight. Also in some sector, Andrea was really fast. So he was also giving me some tense there. So I was just trying to be smooth, trying to be on my best laps, sharing my best laps at the end, and finally we did it. So great, you know, like being in a dream, first race with the Yamaha, pole and win, and I cannot ask for more. So satisfied. The team did a great job. I was keeping the bike all the time in the best setup. Honestly, I started good. I arrived second in the corner, but just appeared Zarco, and I needed to pick up the bike. If not, we crash, you know. And then overtake me Mark and Dobby. Then the track was quite slippery, you know. I couldn't make my own speed in the corner, so it was difficult to turn the bike. I went out of the track one time, even in fast corners, so quite difficult in the early laps. Then I tried to be concentrated, you know. I said, okay, you have a good rhythm, you have to be concentrated, and step by step I recovered the concentration, you know, the confidence. And finally, when I arrived to Mark, I said, okay, now it's the time to push, try to catch Dobby and see what happened, because I didn't know how to pass him. And finally we did a great battle, and so pleased with the Yamaha, and just say thank you to the team because they did a great job.
Yes, so start the season with the podium is always a great way, better than last year. But arriving from a difficult period like me, with a very bad winter test, essentially from November, from Valencia when I tried the new bike, I never feel good. But I have to say a great thank you to Yamaha, to all my team, because in all this period I always feel great support, a great trust in me. And you know, also when the situation was quite critical, so something changed from Thursday to Friday, because on Thursday we still have the same problem that I had during all the tests, and it was very frustrating. But Friday was better. I continued to go quite slow, but I start to improve. So from that moment I was quite optimistic to arrive in the first 5. But after, you know, Saturday we don't make nothing, and the warm-up was very difficult. But sincerely for me, I suffer very much the high temperature, the 10 degrees that we had more. So in the daytime I finished the tire after 3 corners. So this condition of the race was a help for me. Was better, but we changed another time the bike for the race. And I feel good. I did a great start. I don't crash in the first corner that a train come to me on my camera and everything. But after I enjoy very much, because first of all I saw Maverick for all the race. That never happened in the test. And at the end, I hope that Dovi was more in trouble with the soft rear. But I was also in trouble with the front, with the right. I have to do so. If I arrive there and for push I did a mistake, I was very angry. So for me, this podium is important.
Yes, I think the gamble we take it was right, completely right, because we have a good speed before the race, but we couldn't finish the race with Maverick. He have a different pace. The reality was that. So we take that gamble also because there was a lot of humidity. For sure, the race we thought was slower. So with the soft tire, if you don't push really hard, you are able to save the tire. And everything went really good because after the crash of Zarco, I was leading, and at that time was able to save the tire. It was the only way to finish the race with him. I knew because he have a better pace and harder tire. So I try to be consistent, but don't use the potential of the rear tire. I did that, but in the last 5 laps, still the rear tire dropped too much.